The map view allows the user to view assets and their information on a map display. It also allows you to apply map layers for more information regarding your assets and their location. Clicking the Map Layers button will allow you to apply any layers you have available, such as home yards, name locations, U.S. wells, and many others. Selecting the Zoom button will allow you to draw a box on the map. Once drawn, the map will zoom in, showing the assets within the box. This is a great alternative to zooming in and recentering the map multiple times. Next, you will see the Search option. The Search option allows you to search through assets, addresses, and wells. In this example, I searched for the asset redfish. The results include any assets, addresses, or wells with the keyword redfish included. Once the search results are returned, you can click on any of them to pull them up on the map. The Reset button will clear the map of any information you have currently displayed and zoom back out to the global view. Clicking the Find Nearest button will allow you to click on the map and the system will search for the closest assets to that selected location. This can be a great tool when trying to dispatch units to a location. The Box Search button will allow you to draw a box on the map and the system will display all assets that are located within that box. This is a very useful tool to view all assets that are within close proximity of each other, such as a home yard. The Ruler function allows you to draw a line between 2 points on a map and get the distance between those points. To exit this function, double-click your mouse. The Filters button will open a menu on the right-hand side. The Group drop-down allows you to select a group of assets that you would like to be displayed on the map. The Last Seen In drop-down allows you to select a time frame in which assets have last responded in. For example, if you would like to see all the assets that have reported within the last 24 hours, this drop-down will allow you to view that information. You can also search for a specific flag color on the map. We'll go over what flags are in a minute. Lastly, you can search for assets that have specific maintenance tasks assigned to them and choose to view only specific task statuses. For example, you may want to view your vehicles that have an oil change due to see where they are right now. Once you've chosen your selection, you can then select Filter to change the map. At the bottom of the map, you can select the Timeline feature. Using this feature, you can choose a date and time to see where your assets were. This data is exportable to either a list of assets in the location at that time or breadcrumbs for that location. Finally, each of the map pins are clickable to reveal some detail about that asset. The asset name and its ID, its last known location, when it was last seen by our system, and if it's a vehicle tag, its status, either stopped or in motion. You can click the link at the bottom to go to the asset description page. We will cover that shortly in another section.